Hello guys, it's Sam here. We're investing with Sam. Today I'm going to be doing a video on HIMS stock. Today in the UK, it will obviously be tonight. Ending close market, HIMS will be reporting their Q2 earnings. And yeah, there's not much really to say, guys. All I can say is that I'm down 30% on this stock as of today. Um, today I wanted to talk about, obviously, I'm long term with HIMS, and I want to talk about how you guys can learn from this, the mistakes I've made in the past. Especially with HIMS, I made a big mistake. If you've been following my journey and my investment in HIMS, you'd know that I bought at the all-time highs at $22. Since then I've been averaging down. um, yeah, that's what I've been doing. I mean, there's been times, where um, there was this time here in June 8th, we had a rally. This is when the whole short squeeze happened with a lot of SPACs, and I did sell some shares. Luckily enough, I did sell some shares, and that was obviously enabled me to, um, average down the profit I made off them shares there, because my average was lower than that. My average at that time was around $11. My average now is at $10 something. At that time there, that allowed me to sell some shares, and since then I've been averaging down with that profit that I made. If I wouldn't have done that there and then, took some of my profit that I made, um, because I knew it was a short squeeze, so I knew it wouldn't last forever. I didn't think it would run up like AMC. I didn't think that at all. Um, you know, uh, Luckily enough, that's allowed me to average down, and you know, these market caps right now is really cheap. I've been saying it from the time it was 2.5 billion. I really do believe in this company. I think long term it's going to be great. But I've learned a lot from buying all time highs. I bought when it was at $22. It was overvalued there and then. I wasn't really a fundamental trader. I just went with the flow of looking at industries that I think will grow, and I liked HIMS there and then. But as time's gone on, this investment itself has definitely taught me about fundamentals. Um, I think a lot of investors might have learned about actual fundamentals of actually looking at companies, thinking about their market cap. Um, who knows if they're going to beat earnings tonight? Obviously, last earnings they raised guidance, which was great. Hopefully, they can be on target to reaching their guidance this year. So hopefully, we can do better than last year's earnings on the revenue side. That's the main objective for now. Profitability, we're far off that. That comes down in a couple of years from now. Like I said, I'm down 30%. I don't know what my plan is as of now, because I can't tell you what's going to happen. If it keeps going down, I'm just going to have to keep on averaging down because I'm long term with it. But if for some, say we broke even on my shares and I wasn't down 30%, let's say I was down 0% or I was up 5%, something, I would probably be taking some shares off the table. One, because I'm just so exposed to this company. I believe in it long term. I feel like, they're going to try to get into every type of healthcare industry that there is. The likes of like Smile Direct, doing the clear aligners. They still have a lot of growth within the industries they're in, with the hair loss products they have, ED products. They bought out two companies, a company called Apostrophe, which do dermatology products. They bought out another company in the UK called Freshman, which obviously specialize in hair loss products in the UK. So they're expanding, making acquisitions and stuff like that. So we're gonna have to see what goes on with HIMS, but hopefully in the future they can expand into other type of healthcare stuff. Like I said, I'd like to see them to get into the whole clear aligner industry with teeth whitening products and stuff like that in that industry there. But that's ifs or how maybe. I can't. I'm buying this right now as of the fundamentals. I think is great. I think is a lot. It's a company that's growing at a fast pace. You look at the statistics of their past. They've been growing at 50 to 70% year on year. Don't take my word on that. And they've been growing at a fast pace. Let's just put it like that. I like the company. If you want to follow my journey with HIMS, I have it on my playlist. Every video that I posted from the beginning, from when I first started investing in them, from now, give it a check. You obviously get to see the journey, learn maybe a couple of the mistakes I made, which obviously as time's gone on, I've said to obviously in the videos these mistakes I've made, and I've learned from them. But if I didn't make the mistakes there and then, if I was looking at maybe the fundamentals of today, the fundamentals there and then, looking at when I bought it at $22, I bought in at the hype, with Kathy Woods. I did believe in the company, I did like the company, but fundamentally it was just overvalued for the market cap valuation compared to the revenue. You know, Maybe we would be in a different position today. Right now, we wouldn't be down 30%. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for earnings tonight, see what happens. Hopefully they'll do bad. I feel like this is a bit of an overreaction, but who knows? Who knows what's going on? Um, yeah, guys, literally, man, I'm just so exposed to him right now. But this is what happens. You know, what I mean, things we learn and we go with. That's not to say that I'm going to sell HIMS. I don't have any plans on selling HIMS because I feel like it's a great company. And yeah, that's just a little update video, guys. So obviously I'll be doing a review on the earnings, on my thoughts and stuff like that in the next coming days. So stay tuned for that. Just thought I'd give you guys a little update because I haven't done a video on this. Other than that, guys, please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos on HIMS if you are interested in this company, and you can see my journey within this investment. Or you can check out some other videos, my other investments. Canoe, I'm invested in EVgo, and a company called Volta Charging, which is a SPAC at the moment. It hasn't done its merger yet. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and check out my other videos if you want. Other than that, guys, please like and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching.